Good afternoon, guys, and welcome to my range. I'm Papa D. I've got 5 different guns out in front of me. I've been working through some reload data on a new bullet that I am working with, trying to take and support a small local business and use his products. But I was having problems getting jams and whatnot. So I've done the Plunk test with all of these guns, and the Plunk test is where you drop the bullet in the barrel, the bullet comes right back out. I did the twist test. Whenever it's in the barrel, the bullet has to spin. So it passes all of that on these guns. What I'm gonna do is run 5 rounds in each of them. I've got a Smith & Wesson Shield in .45. I've got the Glock Model 41 MOS in a .45, the Model 30, the Model 36, and then a Colt 1911 and a Series 70. We're gonna run 5 rounds in each. I'm at 15 yards, nothing fast here. Just want to take and run a few rounds to make sure they're going to run in cycle in each gun. Let's do it. That's the reason why we test them. Rerun that one. Glock 41 MOS. Did fine in that one. Glock 30. I'm really not a fan of this gun for some reason. I just don't care for it. But they run fine in that. The Glock 36 and I have had a love-hate relationship. Round capacity on this gun is not good, and that was not good for it to not feed. Let's see how it shoots. So out of battery, so it's not liking the 36. Again, love-hate relationship. Colt 1911 Series 80, bought this gun in 1983. But it likes them just fine. Anyway, a little bit more work to do so that it'll feed in the Glock 36. I don't really know if I'm even going to worry about that. Anyway, guys, just a quick video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you down the road on the next video.